Hello and welcome, I'm your Code Monkey. The asset store is full of awesome tools and assets to help you make your own games. There's more and more awesome stuff coming out every month, so in this video let's check out some of the highlights that were released in September 2021. This one is the list of paid assets and effects. I've already made 2 videos covering the best free new assets and the best tools and systems. Go watch those if you haven't seen them. Let me know which one of these you're most interested in and I might do a detailed review on it. As always, there's links to the assets in the description, and as a bonus, you can use the coupon code monkey10 to get 10% off your order. And by the way, check out my own assets on the store. So far I've made the free key door system, which is a super simple way to add keys and doors to your game, and the Mouse Cursor System Pro, which is a very easy to use tool to help you create some custom animated cursors to really make your game stand out. Check them out with the link in the description. Alright, so starting off with a shader pack to make your game look really cartoony. You've got some flat colors, a painted look, a very stylized shader. But this one is also more than just a shader, it's a collection of tools to get this really nice look. It even includes an electric wire mesh generator. It's got a bunch of demo scenes and shader graphs so you can really edit anything. Up next, if you want some animations, here's a wrestling animation pack. It's got quite a lot of moves. So this one is obviously great for a wrestling specific game, but also pretty much any melee game. You've got lots of punches, kicks, grabs, and throws. This developer has tons and tons of animation packs and all of them look great. For some interesting UI elements, here is a motion titles pack. This one is the kind of thing that you see in lots of video editing software like Premiere, and here you can use it in your game. So this could be great for a location card when your player enters a new area, or maybe when they encounter a new character. It also contains editor tools in order to easily set it up to get it exactly as you want it. So it's an interesting asset, I've never seen anything like it. Then if you want a very peaceful village, check out this pack. You've got a stylized cartoony look, everything looks really inviting. It's got both interiors and exteriors, so you've got tons of props, houses, and then lots of trees and rocks to populate your outside. And on top of that, it also includes sounds and music, so it really is a fully featured scene. For some pixel monsters, look at this pack. Over 30 units, zombies and skeletons, all of them with 7 animations, so you've got idle, run, attack, and so on. If you like this style, then this developer has quite a lot more packs. Then if you're working on a sci-fi game and you want to make some nice looking interiors, check out this one. I always like this kind of presentation, sort of dioramas showing all of the props in place. It's actually got quite a lot of objects for the price. It's sort of low poly but not too much. Lots of modular pieces so you can easily build your own houses. If you're looking for particle effects, here's a good one. It's a collection of 80 particle effects, works on all of the render pipelines, and you also have multiple variations with different colors in order to apply them to many scenarios. And then if you have some crystals or shiny things in your game, then check out this shader. The diamond especially looks really good. You've got some coins, gold bars, rubies, jades, and pearls. So this could be great as items or resources in your game. Then if you're working on a racing game, here's a nice cartoony pack. Features some small cars with quite a lot of shapes. There's 10 unique models and multiple colors between them. Up next, some nice movement animations. Looks like a pretty great starter pack. You've got some idle, run, turn, jump, vault, and all of them in all directions. So if you don't yet have a pack with some basic animations, then this one looks great. For something really high-end, here is a Chris Vector model. It's got all kinds of attachments so you can really customize it. You can add a silencer, grip, or torch, pretty much anything. You can change the camo or paint it with a solid color. It's a very high-end model, it's in AAA quality and with 4K textures. Then here's an interesting one, a bunch of hand models, lots of unique ones. You've got some standard hands in all of these skin colors, or maybe you want some robot hands, some medical gloves, or even punching gloves. So if you're working on a VR game and you want something more than the default transparent hands, then this one looks great. Next up, if you need some realistic interiors, check out this pack. Pretty nice visuals and textures. It's set up to work with the built-in render pipeline, so you can easily upgrade it to either URP or AGRP. Then for something pretty unique, a Italian bar animation pack. I guess this would be great if you're working on some sort of bar tycoon game. You've got some very unique animations. So one of them on making a pizza, dropping some plates, drinking and talking while sitting down, and so on. It's quite a unique pack. Or maybe you're working on some sort of game, kind of like Tomb Raider, so here's some nice modular ruins. You've got tons and tons of parts for you to mix and match. It's a pretty nice style, some hand-painted textures. So if you need some ruins, then check it out. Or maybe you want some cute astronauts, then look into this pack. I quite like the style on this one, definitely very cute. They are set up with a humanoid rig, so you can use any humanoid animations. And the pack itself also includes a bunch of preset animations. You've got colorable shaders in order to change the body, helmet and backpack colors in order to make all of your astronauts really unique. Then if you need to make something look like glass, here's a really nice shader. It's pretty nice, it distorts everything behind it. Visually it does indeed look like glass, great visual. So if you need something to look like glass, then this is it. Or maybe you're working on a farming game, here's a crops pack. All of the plants have 5 growing stages, including spoiled. You can harvest fruits and vegetables. It includes planter boxes with 2 height variations, and all of the plants also have a wind animation. Pretty nice. Then here's a pretty niche one, a Tonight Show studio. Definitely an interesting, unique asset. I guess maybe if you need this type of backdrop for something like a cutscene or something like that. So it's pretty unique and it looks exactly like you expect. And finally, here's some nice modular tiny characters. It's got quite a lot of modular pieces. You can definitely create endless variety of characters just with this pack. Change the eyes, eyebrow, hair, mouth, accessories and so on. So if you like this style, then this pack is all you need for all of your characters. Alright, so those are my top 20 new assets on the Unity Asset Store for September 2021. There's links to all in the description, and as a bonus you can use the coupon code Monkey10 to get 10% off your order. Check out the full playlist to see some more lists with free and paid assets, and let me know if you pick up any of these and what you intend to do with them. Also check out my own free and paid assets on the store. Alright, hope that's useful. Check out these videos to learn some more. Thanks to these awesome Patreon supporters for making these videos possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.